Hey there, welcome to a new video on our channel. Today I have an interesting problem to share with you regarding a home server setup. The issue arises when setting up a RAID 1 configuration on a refurbished ASRock QC5000M motherboard with additional SATA ports. The problem pops up after enabling RAID 1, leading to a broken file system upon each reboot. But fear not, we're diving into the nitty-gritty details to find a solution to this pesky problem. Now, let's delve into the solution for this RAID 1 conundrum. The investigation reveals some key points worth noting. First off, despite some error messages and SATA port configuration quirks, the expansion card is indeed operating in AHCI mode. This mode is crucial for facilitating communication between the controller and the OS. So, the AHCI mode is not the culprit behind the RAID 1 file system hiccup. The real culprit might lie in faulty SATA cables, ports, or even the reliability of the controller itself, as hinted in a related Ubuntu bug report. It's all about ensuring a smooth flow of communication between the controller and the disk. To wrap it up, we've delved deep into a perplexing RAID 1 issue plaguing a home server setup. While the AHCI mode on the expansion card isn't the root of the problem, we're exploring other potential causes like hardware reliability and communication issues. By addressing these underlying factors, we can work towards a stable RAID 1 setup for the home server. And with that, it's time to say goodbye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Remember, even servers need a little TLC sometimes.